November 2019, Paper 1, Grade 10, Past Papers, Question 4.1. Peter wants to buy a computer costing 7,950 Rand on hire purchase. The conditions are as follows. He must pay a deposit of 25%. Interest is charged at 15% per annum on simple interest. He must pay compulsory monthly insurance of 70 Rand and 75 cents. He also needs to pay, the balance must be settled in monthly installments. What is his balance after he pays the deposit? Normally, before we start answering the questions, I like to write the details down, right? So the principal amount is going to be equivalent to the cash amount minus the deposit, right? So it's going to be 7,950 minus 25% deposit. And this is what they're asking us in question number 1. They're actually asking us what is the principal amount. The second piece of information is they're telling us the interest is 15%, which we normally write as a decimal, 0.15. Insurance must be an additional 70 Rand and 75 cents per month, and we are paying in 24 monthly installments, which is equal to 2 years. A is not in question as yet, or it's not brought up yet. Okay, so question number 1 is asking me what's the principal amount. The principal amount we said was equal to the deposit. The deposit plus the balance, or the principal amount, is equal to the total amount. The total amount is definitely 100% because it's all of it, right? The deposit is 25%. Therefore, this balance portion must be 75%. Logic would dictate. So I'm going to say 7,950 Rand multiplied by 75% should give me my balance. So if I take out my calculator, I am going to clear everything out. I'm going to say 7,950 times 0.75, 5,962.50. 5,962.50. That is the answer to question number 1, how much he needs to pay. So you can calculate it using this method, or you can calculate using this method. They will both give you the same. So first, you on the top right, you calculate the 25% deposit, then you subtract it, and it'll give you the same answer. Question number 2 says, how much does he pay per month? Okay, so now we said that the principal amount is 5,962.50. Okay. Because he is paying interest, we have to use the simple interest formula, right? If there was no interest involved, we could just divide that 5,000, but we have to use the simple interest formula. So simple interest is equal to the principal amount multiplied by 1 plus IN. Now we substitute. A is equal to 5,962.50 bracket 1 plus 0,15 times 2 years. Okay, so that gives me A is equal to, now remove this there. Let's check our calculator. 5,962.50 open bracket. Hold on, let's clear that up. 5,962.50 open bracket 1 plus 0.15 times 2 close bracket. That gives me a total of 7,751.25. 7,751.25. So this is what he pays with interest, and this is what he pays before interest. So this is the cash price, remember, and this is the higher purchase price. So now that we know how much he pays with interest, we are going to say 7751.25 divided by 24 months. And that gives us, divided by 24, 322.97. 322.97 per month. And then we are going to add 322.97. This is your installment. Then we're going to add the insurance, which is 70.75. So that gives us a total of, let's see, add 70.75 cents, 393.72. 393.72 Rand as a total monthly payment. Okay, so that's the end of question 4.1. Any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Bye now.